Meet the Aro Tower, the perfect diffuser for homes, apartments, and offices for up to 3,000 square feet in open areas. Setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. Inside the box, you will find the Aro Tower diffuser, a power adapter, magnetic tags, and a bottle with its nozzle. To release the security pin and remove the bottle from your diffuser, place the included magnetic tag in the specific area of the diffuser where the lock mechanism is located. In this case, on the back side of the diffuser on the top. Once the magnetic tag is correctly positioned, the lock will release, allowing you to smoothly pull out the empty bottle. Choose your favorite Aromely essential oil. Unscrew the bottle cap. Fill it up. And screw the nozzle on to the bottle once again. Make sure it's tight. Secure it back into the diffuser until it clicks in place. Important, don't ever mix water with oil. Connect the power adapter and it will automatically start misting in its default setting. Customize your experience. Adjust scent intensity and set a schedule using our Aromely app, available both on Google Play and the App Store for automatic fragrance control at your convenience. You are now ready to enjoy the art of scent.